Hello and welcome to another edition of Frightfully Forgotten Brews. And today we are featuring my German wheat beer called Wisborg Sunrise. It took me forever to find a damn name for a German wheat. And of course, you're like, German horror movies, Nosferatu. And it's a wheat beer, so it's kind of yellow like a sunrise.
Right.
And Wisborg is a fictional city, actually, in which Nosferatu takes place at the end when, the sunrise comes up in that iconic scene, So here we go, Wisborg Sunrise. So the recipe is very simple. It's a very simple German wheat beer. It is 5 pounds German wheat malt, 2.5 pounds German Pilsner, 2.5 pounds Munich Malt, and then 1 ounce of Hallertau hops at the start of the boil, and another ounce of the same at turn-off. Very simple.
Yeah.
And of course, use any German or Bavarian yeast.
Right.
For this, I used the Fermentus German wheat yeast.
Yeah, not the Wong Jack Man yeast.
No, I used the Fermentus. So
yeah.
It's very simple. It doesn't have so much of that kind of banana-y type flavor that you get in some.
Mm-hmm. Did you ferment it warm, like at that temperature? Oh,
yep.
Okay. Yeah.
Just a little bit. You get a little bit of the banana-y.
That clove kind of?
Yeah, a little bit. And that's all from the yeast.
Mm-hmm.
So maybe next time I'll try a different yeast and see if there's any difference.
Yeah, it's good.
Very sessionable.
Yeah, you can drink these all day.
Yeah. So, until next time, happy drinking.